What's up guys, I'm Ron, the co-founder of FICKS. With the holidays here, we really wanted to make sure we had a great arsenal of holiday recipes. So we're gonna start off by making one of the classics for any cocktail party, the Manhattan. So for a Manhattan, it's actually gonna be a very simple recipe. You're gonna be using a rye whiskey. Rye whiskey has a really nice spice to it, which is perfect for Manhattans. And we're gonna use these Angostura bitters. So this is a cocktail that's gonna be stirred rather than shaken. Typically when you wanna make a cocktail, you can think of it this way. If there's dairy or citrus in it, you're gonna shake the cocktail. But besides that, you're gonna stir. The reason you do that is to stir the ingredients together, obviously, but also to chill the drink and you won't have too much dilution. So we're gonna add some ice. I went with a bullet rye whiskey. This is one of my favorites to use. It has this nice spice to it that's really nice in a Manhattan. Such a good sound. We're gonna do 2 parts rye whiskey in this. So we've got the rye whiskey in. Now you're gonna add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. I really love these ones. They're my preferred brand. They have a really nice smell to them. You can buy all kinds of different bitters. There's orange bitters, but these ones we're using from Angostura are aromatic bitters. They're a great kind of all-purpose bitter for any cocktail. You definitely have to have them on your bar this holiday season. So you're just gonna give this 2 dashes. And that's it with the bitters, really easy. So we added 2 parts rye whiskey. Now we're gonna add 1 part sweet vermouth. Combine that in with the whiskey. Then give this a stir. And what you're trying to do here is chill down the drink without diluting it too much. And so you're gonna just stir for a little bit here, get it nice and cold, mix those ingredients. It's gonna have that nice kind of fall brown color. This is why it's such a great holiday drink. It's just a warming whiskey drink. It's simple to make. And you look pretty cool stirring it. All right, now you're gonna strain this into your glass. What you wanna use is a coupe glass for a classic Manhattan look. So just grab a strainer, put it over, and pour into the glass. Oh, look at that. We'll give it a nice heavy pour. It's been a long week. Presentation is part of the recipe. And so we are going to take some bourbon soaked cherries. You can use a maraschino cherry, but these ones I think look more like your typical like speakeasy bar. You can get a really good craft cocktail. There's no wrong answer to how many cherries you put on this thing. I personally love cherries, so I'm gonna jam as many as I can onto this toothpick, but feel free to not add any or just like have a full dinner while you're having your cocktail. All right, that looks pretty good. Take those cherries, drop it in, and that is a Manhattan. Should we get the sip shot? All right. Tastes great. So go and make it a Manhattan, have some fun, enjoy them by the Yule Log channel, just have a great holiday season, but don't let January 1st show up without making at least 1 Manhattan.
Looking for more holiday cocktail recipes? Just head over to FICKSdrinks.com. We've got a ton of them ready for you to shake and stir up.